Hi, Charlie, Ed, and Billy. Ready to have some fun? Today, we're making a candy truck. Let's start by finding all the pieces. First, we'll need 4 wheels. Good job! Now we need doors and racks for inside the truck. Great work, guys! Charlie found the back doors. Ed, can you put them on? Now Charlie can do the side panels. It's really starting to look like a candy truck now, but we need some candy to fill it up. Great job, Ed! Billy, do you need some help? Thanks, Charlie. That looks so tasty. Let's go put the candy in the truck. We'll need some of these for sure. Perfect. That's a lot of candy canes, Charlie. Will we have enough room for them? Great. They fit perfectly on the racks inside. Just a few more pieces to load now. That's it. The candy truck is ready to roll. See you next time. Hi, friends. Look at all these things lying around. What should we do with them? You have an idea? You want to build a giant swing? Let's get started then. These big red pieces will be the base. And these orange parts will be the legs. We can connect these extensions to the yellow pieces to make the swing stand really tall. Great job! It's starting to look like a swing, but it needs something at the top to hold everything together. Good work! Now we need to find the pendulum. That's the part that swings back and forth. Which one should we use? This one? No? How about the one in the middle? No? Aha! Then we must use this orange and blue pendulum. Need some help, Billy? It looks heavy. Great! Almost finished. Just attach these pieces to the pendulum and then hang it like this. Are you getting excited? It's almost ready to ride. 2 smaller seats, and 1 big one to keep everyone safe. Time to load up and have some fun. Whoa! It goes really high. Whoa, and upside down. And wow, it spins too. Woohoo! Oh, that was fun. See you next time, friends. Hi, Billy. Hi, Ed. What are you up to? Oh, I see. You're jousting. Hey, Charlie. That's a big load of bricks you have. You want to build a catapult at the castle? Let's go then. Uh-oh, the doors need to be put back on the hinges. Good job, guys. We have to finish putting all the bricks in place before we can work on the catapult. Great teamwork. It looks like Charlie is almost finished stacking his building blocks. Just a few more to go. There, all finished. Those shields look great, Billy and Ed. Wow, Charlie, that catapult looks heavy. Can you get it by yourself? Everything is ready. Time to load the catapult and try it out. Ready? Fire! Wow! Right on target! Good job, guys. Let's do it again. Whoa! You did it again! This last one will be a little more difficult. Here we go! Wow! You did it! Great job! See you next time. Hi guys, ready to have some fun? What would you like to build today? A chocolate factory? Great idea, Charlie. Let's get started. Look at that. The giant conveyor belt is working. Now we need to find the other parts. Wow, that was fast. You found 2 giant mixing bowls. Let's set them up. Careful, Ed. Oh, no. Don't worry, Ed. Charlie can get you out. Phew, that was scary. Now back to work, guys. Wait a minute. Is that bowl moving on its own, or... Aha! No, of course. It was Ed all along. He sure likes to play. Good job, everyone. The chocolate factory is coming along nicely. We'll need these giant beaters to make the chocolate. You're doing a great job with those pipes, Ed. Careful, Billy. Don't fall in like Ed did. Great work. Almost finished. Just a few more pipes to connect. These pieces will help control the amount of chocolate dispensed when we're making candy. And finally, these molds will help us form the candy into shapes. Time to make some chocolate candy. Billy, go ahead and dump that load of cocoa beans into the mixing bowl. Great work. Look, the cocoa beans are now chocolate. Let's make some candy. The machine can make 6 pieces at the same time. Now we sprinkle them with nuts. Then they come out of the machine all wrapped up and labeled and ready to eat. Wait a minute. Something is not right about that piece. What happened? Aha! Billy, we caught you. Bye, friends. See you next time. Hi, guys. Looks like you're having fun. Ed, are you supposed to be a pirate? I see. And Billy has the treasure map? Hi, Charlie. What's that? You have an idea? You want to build a pirate ship? Wow! The ship is almost finished, but some pieces are missing. Careful, guys! Whoa! That was close! Oh no! The treasure map fell into the hole. Maybe Ed can reach it with his bucket. No? Well, let's finish building the ship and we can get the map later. Billy, Charlie is loading the lumber we need. Can you and Ed get the rest? Great job! We're almost done. You'll have the deck finished soon. Just a few more boards. Looks like Billy is almost finished getting the bowsprit ready. Once it's ready, it will help hold the ship's sails in place. Just a few more pieces to go. Charlie has the anchor, and Ed is getting the wheel which is used to steer the ship. Great work, guys! Now it's time to add the cannons. That's it! The ship is ready to sail. Hang on, everyone! Wow! It feels like the ship is out on the ocean. Thanks for your help, friends. See you next time. Hi, friends. Having fun at the amusement park? We'll have even more fun after we finish today's assignment. We're building a roller coaster. We have all the track pieces, but we need to put them together. Can you do that? That's the way, guys. Make sure you place them in the right position, Charlie. Looks like Billy the Bulldozer and Ed the Excavator may need a little help from Charlie the Crane to reach the high parts. Great job, guys. Now that is teamwork. There they go again. Billy just loves to play. But it's not time to play yet, Billy and Ed. We still have work to do. Nice job, guys. Let's place the cars on the track next so everyone can ride the roller coaster when we finish. A big car for Charlie and 2 smaller cars for Ed and Billy. Almost finished. There, all the pieces of the track have been used. But wait, one piece appears to be missing. Can you find it? There it is. Hey, ice cream truck and gumball machine, find somewhere else to play ball. We need that piece of track to finish the roller coaster. Perfect. Time to ride. Hold on tight, guys. Wow, that looks like fun. Phew, what a ride. See you next time, friends. Hey guys, it's a beautiful day, isn't it? Is everyone ready to get to work? Great! Today, we're going to make the neighborhood look pretty by planting trees along the roadway. This is going to take teamwork. Ready, guys? Let's go! Great job, Ed. That's the perfect spot for the first tree. But which one should we plant first? The big one or the small one? Great, we'll put the big tree here. Good work, guys. Now let's plant the second tree. Which tree goes in this hole? We had 2 big trees and 2 small trees. So let's put a small one next. Time to plant another one. So do we use the small one or the tall one? Great idea, Ed. We're down to our last tree. Great job, guys. But look, there's still a lot of room left with no trees. Great idea. We can go to the tree farm and get more. But which one should we get? Charlie, maybe you should ask Ed for help. But where is Ed? Oh, he must be here somewhere. Maybe he's hiding. I don't see him or Billy. Let's keep looking. Great catch, Charlie. Now to find Ed and then get more trees. These look perfect. We can load the new trees onto your truck bed, Charlie. One. Two. Three. Four. That's it. All done. Have fun planting, guys. See you later.